In this video, I want to talk about something I saw a few days ago on YouTube, and that was a wood ramp, like the one you're looking at here, that didn't have a guardrail on it or any grippable handrails. And I know they didn't build it according to the building code rules or laws according to the Americans with Disabilities Act, where you can only go up 1 inch vertically for every 12 inches horizontally. And I get it, folks. If you don't have the room for something like that, or it's going to cost a fortune, I've seen people just lay a couple pieces of plywood down, and I know that's not the safest way, but I get it. Now, all I'm going to suggest in this video is to install some type of edge protection, some type of a curb to prevent people from rolling off of it if you're using a wheelchair. I mean, let's face it, if you're just going to be walking down the ramp, you're going to be walking up the ramp, you could just as easily fall off or fall over a curb. That's not going to be helping in a situation like this. And I don't think it's going to be a big deal for infants or pets who can easily climb over the curb. And of course, I'm not suggesting that the curb needs to be a wall or even 12 inches high, but if it can prevent someone from rolling off in a wheelchair, then I would definitely spend a few more dollars to make it a little safer.